Hindi, pero sa ganun, kita mo yung hawak ko. Go, Danny!
Same lane na naman.
Take your mark.
BSC to event number 26, swimming in lane 1, Geraldisa Eliza of San Beda College, Alabang. Lane 2, Usman Daniel Alison of Miriam College. Lane 3, Santos Lilith of Assumption Antipolo. Lane 4, Monzon Erin Lynette
Oo nga, nakita ko yung
Stevens High School.
Lakas
Lane 5, Victor Adrina Rose of Assumption Antipolo. Lane 6, Mrs. Rose Raylene of St. Stevens High School. Lane 7, Asibaris Bonnie Estelle of Assumption College. Lane 8, Shao Kinsey Nadim of Assumption College.
Nice, Danny. Go, Danny.
Makuha lang yan doon.
Na, turbo. Na! Go, Danny!
Oh, laki ng pinili, no?
Wala na yung unahan. Go, Danny!
3.
Kita mo dati dyan, Ars.
Oh, lakas yan.
Nice, Danny!
Parang bigla lumundag-lundag siya, parang